Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide public holidays in calendar on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen or in your app screen, open up the calendar app. In here, tap on the calendars button at the bottom. And in here, you should be able to see public holidays, for example, holidays in Australia or holidays in United States. So go to your calendars account and then choose to show or hide holidays. Now in here, if you go all the way down to the bottom, there is the other section that you can also select or deselect the public holidays. If for some reasons you do not see it shows, for example, US holidays, maybe because you have previously removed the account or you have deleted the holidays calendar, then what you can do is swipe up to go back to the home screen and open up your Safari browser. You want to go to this website here called iCalShare.com, and then you want to look for US holidays, and in here you can subscribe to the calendar and then tap on subscribe. So that is an alternative if you do not see it shows US holidays in your calendar. Now give this a few seconds for it to add it to your calendar. Now if that website does not work, there is also an alternative. You can go to officeholidays.com and you can tap on subscribe to calendar, and in here it will allow you to add in. So here's some information. Otherwise you can copy the link. So I have to copy and paste the link right here and tap and go. It will allow you to add all of these holidays in. Another way to do it is from your calendar. You want to tap on calendars button at the bottom here, then tap on add calendar, and then tap on add subscription calendar. And in here we're going to paste in the URL and tap on subscribe. Next, give your calendar a name. And then tap on add. Okay, so this is just in case you do not have the US holidays option in here, then you can simply subscribe it from my website. And then tap on done, and that's it. So that is how you can show or hide public holidays on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.